how to check the mastery. So if you were in Power School and you saw that your student had a low grade that you were not satisfied with, this is how you can check to see exactly what goals. So I'm actually logged in as my son. He's actually a kindergarten student at Northeast. I enrolled him in the class just as an example. So if I were his parent, I could have him log in. And so this is going to be the same instructions for your student. But so I could have him log in, and then over his shoulder or whatever, I can look, and I'm going to instruct him to go to the mastery. Once he goes into mastery, the topic that we actually graded just now is the proportional, which is the one that it automatically comes up to. And what you're going to be looking for are these goals. And notice this one says met. So I know that I don't need to worry about V1. If you click, this is V2. So if I click under V2, you can see that my son, and really it's because I didn't go and take every single assignment just because I'm using him as an example. But you can see that he has not submitted any of these. So this is the retake, this is the topic test, and this is the quiz. You can see same thing here. He has not submitted anything for this goal. He has not submitted anything for this goal. This last goal, he met it one time, but for math for the math 8 classes at Hermosa, we are looking for them to have met it twice. So he has not met this goal twice, so that's why it still says not yet. So if I find one like this one says not yet, actually I'm going to start with a simple because remember you can't count complex until you complete your simple. So I'm going to go to this vocabulary. Notice he didn't even take the topic test. If I actually click right here, it will take him directly to the topic test where he could complete the topic test. If he had taken the topic test, which I hope your student has taken the topic test, once they've taken that, then the next thing that they could do, sorry, it's loading. So say this is submitted and this was submitted and they just didn't do well, they can click on this retake right here. These words retake will actually take them directly to that. You can see this is the video. Actually, here's the video as well. So they can watch this video. It will actually tell them how to complete the problems that are going to be on this retake. Here are some practice problems. So if I click on that, it will take them to a game that gives them practice. So I can hit start, Miss Alonzo. I can actually hit start, and it will actually show me problems that are very similar to the problems that are going to be on the retake. So what is the meaning of the initial value? Remember, this was the vocabulary word initial value. So that is just practice problems. Once they feel ready, then they could hit start new attempt. The other way that I instructed them, or I have instructions for them to access those retakes, is if you go in and scroll to the very bottom, you can click in week 6, and then you will see each of the makeup goals listed here. So if you think back to what I saw in Mastery, he already has a MET for V1, so I don't need to work on V1. I would just want to start working on these and actually in this order because you need to do simple before you do complex. Please, please, please let me know or Miss Chavez know if you need help figuring out how to find makeup goals or figuring out the mastery for your student. But again, if you're not satisfied with the grade from Power School, please, please, please go to Mastery in Schoology. Once you go to Mastery, it will tell you exactly which ones have been met and which ones have not been met. And we are kind of working on these as well, but really this is the one that we're talking about right now. So this is the topic that your students should be worrying about and working on before Friday. Let us know if you need help.